Oxidation of amines. Many primary aliphatic amines undergo oxidation to form the corresponding acids, and nitrogen is converted to urea. Benzylamine oxidized into benzoic acid plus urea. Aromatic amines like aniline is oxidized to corresponding phenol. Oxidation of sulfur containing compounds. The sulfur present in organic compounds is oxidized to sulfate. Oxidation of drugs. Meprobamate is oxidized into hydroxymeprobamate, and chloral is oxidized into trichloroacetic acid. Oxidation of certain compounds may result in the production of more toxic compounds, that is intoxication. Therefore, their formation is prevented. As I discussed earlier, methanol is oxidized into formic acid. Halogenated alcohol is oxidized into halogenated acid. Ethylene glycol is oxidized into oxalic acid. These reactions are the example of intoxication reaction, means their product is more toxic compound than the earlier. Reduction reaction. Reduction does not occur extensively in human beings. Reduction of aldehydes. Chloral reduces into trichloroethanol. Trichloroethanol is excreted after conjugation with D-glucuronic acid as corresponding glucuronide. Reduction of nitro compounds. P-nitrobenzene is reduces into P-aminobenzene. P-nitrophenol is reduces into P-aminophenol. Now hydrolysis reaction. Certain therapeutic compounds undergo hydrolysis. Acetylsalicylic acid hydrolyzed into acetic acid and salicylic acid. Atropine hydrolyzed into tropic acid and tropine. Digitalis hydrolyzed into sugar plus a glycone. And procane hydrolyzed into para-aminobenzoic acid and diethyl aminoethanol. Procane hydrolyzed into para-aminobenzoic acid and diethyl amine ethanol. Now phase 2 reaction, that is conjugation. Conjugation is a process by which foreign molecules and their metabolites are coupled with a conjugating agent and are converted to soluble non-toxic derivatives which are easily excreted in urine. Conjugation reactions can occur independently or can follow phase 1 reaction, that is hydroxylation reactions. Conjugation takes place primarily in liver but can occur in kidney also. After conjugation, the products are generally rendered non-toxic, but in certain conditions they are left unchanged or become more toxic. Types of phase 2 reactions is glucuronidation, sulfation, acetylation, methylation, conjugation with amino acids, and conjugation with glutathione. Glucuronidation. Glucuronidation is the most frequent conjugation reaction. UDP glucuronic acid is the glucuronil donor, which is formed in the uronic acid pathway of glucose metabolism. Glucuronil transferase present in both the endoplasmic reticulum and cytosol are the catalyst, and the glucuronide may be attached to oxygen, nitrogen or sulfur groups of the substrate. Glucuronidation. Compounds conjugated to glucuronic acid are bilirubin, aromatic acids, phenols, secondary and tertiary aliphatic alcohols, antibiotics like chloramphenicol, hormones like thyroid hormone, derivative of corticosteroids, and sex hormone metabolites, 2-acetyl aminofluorine, aniline, meprobamate. These are the important compound which is conjugated with glucuronic acids. Glucuronidation of bilirubin. UDP glucose is converted into UDP glucuronic acid, and the UDP glucuronic acid converted bilirubin into bilirubin monoglucuronide by the enzyme UDP glucuronyl transferase. And then bilirubin monoglucuronide is converted into bilirubin diglucuronide by the enzyme UDP glucuronyl transferase. Most of the bilirubin excreted in the bile of mammals is in the form of bilirubin diglucuronide. Bilirubin UGT activity can be induced by a number of clinically useful drugs, including phenobarbital. Sulfation. The sulfate donor is adenosine 3-phosphate 5' phosphosulfate. This compound is called active sulfate. The enzyme is sulfotransferase. Compounds which are conjugated with sulfate are as follows: phenols, gresols, indole, steroids, estrogen and androgens. Tyrosine to form tyrosine O sulfate, which is required for the formation of fibrinogen, glycosaminoglycans, glycolipids and glycoproteins. Phenol is sulfated into phenyl sulfuric acid. Sulfotransferase are localized in the cytosol and transfer sulfate moiety mainly to hydroxy group. The donor of sulfate is PAPS, which is synthesized from 2 molecules of ATP and 1 molecule of sulfate. Acetylation reaction. Acetylation is represented by X plus acetyl-CoA and converted into acetyl X and CoA. Here X is genovitic. Here X represents a genovitic. Acetyl-CoA active acetate is the acetyl donor. These reactions are catalyzed by acetyl transferases present in the cytosol of various tissues, particularly liver. Polymorphic types of acetyl transferases exist, resulting in individuals who are classified as slow or fast acetylators and influence the rate of clearance of drugs from blood. Slow acetylators are more subject to certain toxic effects of drug because the drug persists longer in these individuals. Compounds conjugated by acetylation are sulfanilamide, PABA, para-amino-benzoic acid, and isoniazide. PABA is acetylated into acetylated PABA by the acetyl-CoA condensing enzyme. Methylation. Methylation is limited in the body as adenosyl methionine acts as a methyl group donor, which is also called as active methionine. Reactions are called transmethylation reactions. Enzymes catalyzing the reactions are methyl transferases. Nicotinamide methylated into N-methyl nicotinamide, and p-methylaminoazobenzene is methylated into p-dimethylaminoazobenzene, which is hepatic carcinogen. O-methylation of estrogen, norepinephrine, epinephrine and their metabolites. Conjugation with amino acids. Conjugation with glycine. Benzoic acid is conjugated with glycine to form hippuric acid. Nicotinamide is conjugated with glycine to form nicotinuric acid. Cholic and deoxycholic acids are conjugated to form glycocholic acid and glycodeoxycholic acid. Conjugation with cysteine. A few aromatic compounds are conjugated with cysteine in the presence of acetic acid to form mercapturic acid. Bromobenzene is conjugated with cysteine in the presence of acetic acid into bromophenyl